Search within Business Central is comprehensive, and so with search you can look for all sorts of modules by just short typing, or a function, invoices, purchase, and every single time you're going to see on this page within the Business Manager role, you're going to see pages and tasks, reports and analysis, documentation, get from Microsoft, AppSource, which is Microsoft's store for additional plugins and extensions. So in using this search, it is very useful, but you need to remember you don't have to. So if I said posted sales invoice, I don't have to type that. So posted sales invoices has loaded, but I'm going to type post sale invoice, and it's achieved the same outcome. Now if I was to type invoices, this in a normal system that's operational would show the sales invoices, which is fine, and I can click on that. But although this is a demo and there's minimal volume, in a normal system you may see thousands of invoices sitting here ready to post. So to get a more granular view, we can be in a customer. Within the customer itself, you can turn around and search. So if we search invoice, from here, it's going to, on current page, customer card, invoices. If I hit that, I'm now going to see invoices relating to this customer.